Hi everyone, now I am with new lesson. The name of the chapter is The Little Girl. I hope all you have read this chapter and if you have not read it, you should read once yourself and try to understand the things have been given. And I think this story, whatever this story is telling, the content is not new, the thing is not new, and it is the thing must have happened in everyone's life because no one of us who has not seen, who has not crossed this age. Actually, in this story, we have a little girl whose name is Kezia. Kezia is a child who is full of fear of her father because of his uncanny behavior. It is not so. As the story goes on, we will realize or we will know that her father is not a terror. Her father behavior is not bad with the child. Only the way of expression of his love is different from other, and his love is no less for his daughter Kezia. It is because of childish nature of Kezia that Kezia could not understand the feeling of her father. The story begins with the question that do you feel you know your parents better now than when you were much younger? Perhaps you now understand the reasons for some of their actions that used to upset you earlier. I think most of students, most of you must be in position to answer the questions here. When you were a child, when you were 10 years old or less, generally you could not understand, you could not analyze your parents' mood, and that's why sometimes you must feel awkward, you must feel fearful from your parents' behavior. In second, this story about a little girl whose feelings for her father change from fear to understanding will probably find an echo in every home. The second sentence clears my statement that I begin with, that in this story what we will read is not new for anyone, because everyone has had the taste of being a child, and we all have crossed from our childhood. The story begins with the child is fearful, and it is clear from the text that Kezia is so fearful from her father that she never feels at home until her father lives with her, lives at home. When her father goes in his office, goes for his work outside his house, Kezia feels a kind of relaxation. Kezia feels at home. Kezia feels relaxed whenever her father is not here. At evening, when her father comes back from his work, from his day's work, the time of fear begins for Kezia. She generally look at MacDonald, a neighborhood of her, who generally live at his house, who generally plays with her children, who generally give more and more time to his sons and daughters. Generally, Kezia keep thinking somewhere that else MacDonald would have been her father. This runs in Kezia's mind somewhere, that why God has made father. Actually, she does not feel easy whenever she lives with her father. That's why she keeps thinking somewhere in her mind that I think father is, she thinks, Kezia always thinks that father is useless in this world and God must have been made father only to scare the child. Once it just happens with her, actually Kezia sleeps with her grandmother. Once Kezia's mother falls ill, falls sick, she has to be admitted in the hospital to look after her mother. Her grandmother has to stay back there. Kezia has to live at home with her father. Means at home only Kezia and her father are there. Now the problem with Kezia is that she has never been in the habit of sleeping alone, and she can't go to sleep with her father because of the kind of fear she feels with her. That's why she decides to sleep alone at night. As the night goes down, she sees a night bad dream. She has a nightmare, and as the result of that nightmare, she cries at the top of her voice, at the top of her pitch. She could not know how she yelled, how she cried. Hearing her cries, her father came here. Her father took her in his lap, brought her on his bed. He makes Kezia sleep with himself, and then Kezia realizes a kind of warmth in her father's treatment with her. It was the first time when Kezia thought that her father was no longer terror. Her father was not a bad person. Her father, it was not so that her father had no love for her, but it was her own misthinking. It was her own problem that she could never try to understand the feeling of her father. One more incident happens. Actually, this was some of the incidents happened in her life, and it was coincidence that something happened between her or her father that increases fear in her mind, in her heart. Once, when her grandmother asks her to do something so that her father also starts to love her, or her father has connection with her, so Kezia decides to have a pin cushion, and she wants to have her father's birthday gift. When she prepares pin cushion, a piece of cloth, seeing three sides, leaving one side to put something inside. When she could not find anything to fill with, she finally have some papers putting on the table of her father. She just tore them up, put inside of the cloth, and sew the fourth side as well. Next morning, when she heard her father's cries, her father was talking at the top of his voice. Her father was just yelling at his mother. She knows it that she committed mistake. In place of pleasing her father, her try to please her father has gone against, and it has hiked her father's anger. In place, she wanted to make him happy to her, giving him a birthday gift. In place, her father went mad in anger because Kezia had tore up important documents that her father needed earnestly. So this type of things happen between Kezia and her father, cause misunderstanding that her father doesn't love her. But when her mother has to be admitted in the hospital. She has to stay in home alone, and her father has cared her at night when she has nightmare there. She finally realizes the kind of love, finally realizes the love of father, and she corrects her thinking that she had in the beginning, and she understands it that father is not a figure of terror. Father is not the person who generally in every child life to make them fearful or to do something that is not liked by all.